Hi everybody, this is Janice. I'm an application developer from Keysight Technologies. In this video, we will talk about how to use the MDM filter in MQA. MDM data file is a standard format of Keysight ICCAP and WaferPro Express. Wafer-level auto management tool like WPE offers total solution for device characterization, and it also brings huge amount of data. This MDM filter function in MQA is designed to filter and process the data before we go to the measurement qualification process. Here are the step-by-step operations we will cover today. Start with opening the GUI of MDM filter. Then, how to set the MDM source folder and destination folder. How to check the variables included in the MDM data, and the equations we could specify for the filter. At last, how to check the result. Now, let's go to the demo. Step 1. We go to the menu Management, MDM Filter. It opens the MDM Data Filter dialog. In the MDM Filter dialog, we could set the MDM source folder and destination folder. Browse and navigate to the source folder, then click Open. The source folder should contain all the MDM files to be processed. We can see that the destination folder is automatically set to my user folder with same name of source folder. The filter result will be saved here. Of course, we can also browse to change the destination folder. Step 3. Now, click the List Info button. We could check the variables included in the MDM file. These variables can be used as filter conditions in the following step. This step is optional, so if you know the MDM variables clearly, you could skip this step. Now we could type in the equations within text box, input filter, and transfer. We don't need to learn any complicated programming language. Just type in W equals 10 UM. It means we want to have only W equals to 10 micrometers data in our destination folder. Pay attention that we need two equal signs. We could also specify multiple conditions for the filter. Just input them in different lines. Say L is larger than 1 micron. Transfer is optional. Normally, we won't touch the data value, but if we do want to change the data value inside the file, for example, give a system offset to CGC, we could write the equation here. Let's type in CGC minus 1E minus 1,5. Then, when we run the filter, this equation will be applied to all the CGC data we have. Now we can click the Run Filter button. There will be a pop-up message to notify that Run Filter is finished. The detailed message is printed below. It will tell us how many files we have now. See, we have 14 now, comparing to the original 96 files after the filter, and CGC value is also changed. We could check the result by clicking Open Result button, and it will help us open the destination folder directly. And that concludes this video. To download the demo MDM files, please click the link in the description area below. To learn more about MDM filter, please refer to our MQA user guide. We have a chapter to explain all the operations we could apply in the MDM filter. Subscribe to our channel, Keysight Ease of EDA, for more videos and to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching.